Today in this video I am sharing about new meeting options in Microsoft Teams and how to manage these. Previously we used to manage meeting options from meeting options inside meeting details. Now you can simply join your meeting by this way and move to more option within your calling bar. Here in calling bar you can select more option or more actions and select meeting options. By this way, here you can set who can bypass the lobby, people in my organization or only me. You can set from here and announce when caller join or leave. You can set on or off here. Who can present. If you want to present by yourself only, you can select only me, and if you want let everyone in your meeting to present, you can select everyone. Now let me select only me, and here you can see another option, that is allow attendees to unmute. If you select this, attendees will be able to unmute themselves. Now let's turn it on and save. Now let's close this. Ask me.
Yes, sir.
Yeah, here you can see she is able to unmute her mic. If you want to disable this, you can move to more action again and move to meeting options and allow attendees to unmute off and save. Can you mute your mic or unmute? Can you mute or unmute your mic now? No, you can see here mic is disabled in both attendees. Yeah, this option will let you to control your class by allowing your attendees to use mic or not. Simply you can enable and disable from here. You need not to move to browser to manage all these settings. You can also manage other settings from here as per your requirement. Okay, thanks for watching my video. Don't forget to hit subscribe button and click the bell icon for upcoming videos. Thank you.